So if you need to wash your clothes and you're in a hotel room and you do not have access to laundry for whatever reason, this is a way to quickly wash your clothes. So first of all, make sure the plug is down. Many different taps will have different levers. If you don't have a plug, you can get a plastic bag that you might find within a bin bag and put it in there, or you can shove the hole with toilet paper really thickly. Anyway, it doesn't matter if you have cold or hot water, depending on what kind of clothes you want to do. So let's just start filling this up with hot water. Now, obviously, you might not actually have any soap to clean this with. If you're not carrying any portable soap, maybe just use some shampoo, some body wash, or some hand lotion. This will be better than just washing it with nothing. So we'll fill it up there. Then we'll take our clothes. Once we've got enough water in there, really just swish them around in the soap. You really just want to kind of hand wash them. Get all that dirt out of your clothes. You can really rub in the areas that may be dirty. Just think of it like when you're putting something in a washing machine, it tumbles round and round. Here, you're just giving it a bit of a tumble with your hands. Now you want to do that for a minute or two. Then after you've done that, you just want to let the water sit for at least 10 minutes. All right, after 10-20 minutes, what you can do is drain the water. Now after you've washed the clothes in the soap, empty the water and then give them a rinse. And just really squeeze them out like this. As you can see, had a nice wash. Twisting is probably the best way to rinse out the water. All right, so if you have a towel, you want to lay it out like this. Get your clothes, place them on the towel. Now, just for the purpose of this video, I've only used 2 pieces of clothes. Now I'll wrap them up like a burrito and keep folding them over and over like this. Now you're going to start to feel the towel soaking up the water, and you can press. And this is going to help dry the clothes. You can even twist it a little if you like. Like that. Now you can leave that for 5 or 10 minutes and then hang them up. All right, if you're lucky, you're going to have a rack like this somewhere in your shower or bathroom where they normally hang the towels. This is a good place to hang up the clothes. And if you can, if it has a fan, turn it on. And that's how we do it. Now, just wait for your clothes to dry. Hope this has been helpful. Thanks for watching.